This phone has the same 108 megapixel camera as the Samsung S20 Ultra. Hello you beautiful people, welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. We're talking about the Mi 10, not the Pro, just the Mi 10. And let me tell you why this is looking like a worthy Xiaomi flagship. So, like I said, this phone is fitted with a quad camera setup on the back, which includes a 108 megapixel camera in this price point. That is by far the cheapest phone with a 108 megapixel camera that you can get right now. That, throw in the latest processor, 5G, a curved AMOLED display, what do we have? Well, let's find out. We're doing the Mi 10 unboxing right now. I just want to say that box is so pretty. So it says 10 right here. This is a 5G phone. On the side, it says Mi 10 with easy access to the Google apps you need. I have the coral green version, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. I am loving these holo boxes more and more, I swear. Oh my god, look at that box though! Right, let's open it up. Slides right off. There we go. So even this is hollow. The SIM eject tool. Ooh. This is USB-C to audio. Instructions, warranty. It's a jelly case. This case is a little stiff. It's not your typical jelly case. Oh, the phone. Wait. Before that, USB-C cord. Oh my gosh, why can't I get this out? Power brick. On to the phone. So, first of all, wow! This is supposed to be green? Oh my god, this is my type of green. Mi 10. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, 108 quad camera with 8K video, and then a 90 Hz display with 30 watt wired and wireless fast charging. Right, oh, I can't get over. So if you can see, it says here that this has a standard SIM tray, so it is a 5G phone. Oh, look. Let's take the plastic out. Which way first? Wait, what? Oh, okay. So here. Oh my god, I can see it. Wow! Okay, wait. That went out of focus, but wow! Oh my god, it looks like the ocean. So on the back, we see 4 cameras. So first of all, you can see that this is a curved display. On the right side, you have a volume rocker and then a power button. Up top, some speakers, nothing on this side. And down here, you have the SIM tray, USB-C, and more speakers. I mean, aside from being pretty, this phone has a good feel in hand, so you automatically sort of feel like it's a premium device. So if you look at this back, it sort of looks like it's glass, but if you can hear that, although this is still Gorilla Glass. Oh my god, it looks like the ocean. Right, of course, we're gonna power it up, and you know what time it is? Time for a montage. Camera tour time, folks. So I just want to say before we start that I believe with all my heart that this is a blue. But nevertheless, I am in love with this color. Like, it's nice. So I've put all my apps on here. Everything is looking nice and responsive. Now on to cameras. Look at that phone, it's so pretty. So this is the photo mode, 1x, ultra wide angle. And then it has 2x up until, whoa, look at the detail. That is 10x and that is my star earring. Up here we have the flash, HDR mode, AI, macro mode, and what else is here? Filters and the beauty mode, which again includes bodies, legs, waists, shoulders. So we saw the same thing on the Mi Note 10 Lite. Check that video out. I'll link it up here and down below. There's also 108 megapixel mode. What does that mean? Let me show you. Let's take a photo. All it means is that it's one big photo. So that's a 108 megapixel preview. There is a box at the bottom, and that tiny box inside that box, that's basically your phone screen. So I mean, look at my pimple. You can see my pimple. That's crazy. Wow. Okay, let's stop staring at my pimple. You also have portrait mode, which has all the different effects here. You have that awesome movie mode for landscape, and you also have a night mode. So 1x, 2x, 1x and 2x, and then also 10x. Is there a wide? Yeah, no wide though on night mode. You have panorama, photo. There's also an option to shoot in 108 megapixels on here. On video, you have wide, 1x, 2x, hi, and then zoom to, whoa, 6x. Right. Up here you have a steady video mode. As you can see, it crops in. Dude, it has 8K. That's crazy. So you can record up until 6 minutes in 8K. Wide, 1x, 2x, up until 6x. And then you have macro mode on here. Filters, beauty mode. Bokeh, there's live bokeh on here too, aside from all the filters and beauty mode. There's a movie frame mode. Remember that movie mode on portrait? It's basically the same thing on video. There's a track moving object feature. Dude, this phone is power packed. So let's say I want to be the object to be tracked. It basically changes the focus to where I am. Vlog mode, I sort of explained that on my Mi Note 10 Lite video, so check that out. And then again, you have a short video mode, slow-mo, where the kaleidoscope mode, it's not here. Beauty filters, and then again, this is the mode where you can shoot 15-second clips and then share directly to your social media. You also have a slow motion mode, 1080p, 120 FPS. Is that the only mode? Like, where are the others? Where are the other slow motion modes? Oh wait, this is time-lapse. That's cool. So it has time-lapse and you can change the different intervals for your time-lapse. Right, we're doing the selfie camera now. So there's a slow mode on selfie, that much I can tell you. Short video mode has the same thing. Still no kaleidoscope mode. Where'd it go? Video, can you zoom in or out? Nope. There's still beauty mode though. There's still live bokeh though as well. And then there's still that movie frame mode on video. On photo mode, you can't zoom in or out. There's HDR, there's AI. And then there's also the palm shutter. Again, a very detailed selfie beauty mode. Thank you, Xiaomi. And then I love this makeup filters. Yes, eyeliner, lip gloss, eye sparkle. If you didn't catch my last Xiaomi video, I explained this eye sparkle thing. Basically, it gives you that ring light effect. So if you do angel, it'll give you a ring in your eyes. And there are a lot of other different ones too. This thing is cool. And then other filters. There's of course no 108 megapixel selfie, but there is a portrait mode, adjustable bokeh. There's also that movie mode. Hello. And then night mode, no selfie, panorama. Yes, for selfie. So basically it's just a wider selfie if you do this. And then yeah, what we're gonna do is check out the cameras and take a few sample shots. See you there. So this is the front-facing camera of the Xiaomi Mi 10. This can shoot up until 1080p 30 fps. So it also has these cool features like this live beauty mode. So this is at around the 50% mark. Also different filters like this color pop filter. So as you can see, everything behind me sort of looks like less saturated. You can see my hair turn like gray right there. And finally, there's also a live bokeh mode. So as you can see behind me now, everything is blurred. This is all cool and great. Unfortunately, when you turn on this beauty mode, everything reverts to 720p. But I mean, that's fine if it's for social media. On the back though, this is awesome because I'm now shooting in 8K and it has optical image stabilization. So that is awesome on a smartphone. So like I said, the main camera on this thing has 108 megapixels and it uses pixel binning to shoot awesome 27 megapixel photos like these. There's also 108 megapixel mode on this phone, so you can shoot images in full 108 megapixels. So basically that means really big photos, and that means you can take photos like these and crop them into solo photos like these. Right, that's it for our first look at the cameras of the Mi 10. Honestly, there's so many features that I am really excited to try out on this thing, so stay tuned for that. Say bye. Bye! First of all, Xiaomi, I still think this is blue. Nevertheless, it's still one great looking phone. The Xiaomi Mi 10 is a promising device and I'm surprised it's not getting any more buzz. We'll see how these impressions hold true when I review this device, so let me know what your questions are. Also, let me know in the comment section down below what you want me to check out on this phone. Right, that was it for our unboxing, first look, and camera tour of the Mi 10. If you want to see how I use this phone on a daily basis, you can find me on social media. That's at Cisa Said. Until next time!